ஹலோ வணக்கம். பேப்ளெக்ஸோட ஏடிஎம் மெஷின் இது தான் சார்.
Please select your language. Please select service.
Aadhaar card transaction. First of all, we are doing Aadhaar card transaction. Cash withdrawal.
Please enter required information and click to proceed transaction.
First of all, we enter your mobile number and enter your amount.
ठीक है, तो अगर हम कनेक्ट करते हो कोशिश कीजिएगा ना ऐसी जगह पे हो जहाँ पे नेटवर्क आपका अच्छा चल रहा हो.
Please wait. Your transaction. Please insert your card
Maybe
and
insert the
enter
card.
your PIN to proceed transaction.
दूर चल जाएगी. Enter your PIN. Transaction successful. Transaction successful. Please collect your cash. Here is cash. 500 rupees.
Please select your language. Please select
Here
service.
we go to cancel UPI withdrawal. Okay.
Please enter required
First of all,
information and click to
Enter
proceed
your mobile number
transaction.
and enter your amount to withdrawal.
Please wait. Your transaction is being proceeded. Your transaction has been cancelled.
Here scanner full digital. We use Google Pay to transaction withdraw the money. Paying UPI cost at pause 500 rupees. Okay. ₹500 transaction.
Please collect your cash.
Collect your cash. This is a huge item. Okay, done. That's it. Thank you.
Please select your language. Please select service.
Here we cash deposit option. Okay.
Please enter your mobile number.
Enter your mobile number first of all.
Please wait. Your transaction is being proceeded.
Here please enter your beneficiary bank details. First of all, you fill your bank details. Which bank, account number, your account number, IFC code, or account holder name. Okay. We use Anand Kumar, Bank of India.
Please enter the amount and select
Enter the
beneficiary account number.
Confirm. Yes, confirm. 1000. Confirm. Yes.
Please insert not one by one.
Here we deposit 1000 rupees in ATM machine. Deposit your
Please
notes
wait.
1000 rupees.
Your transaction is being proceeded.
Your transaction successful. 500 के 2 multiples 1000. Okay. Aadhaar card transaction.
Please enter your mobile number. Please wait. Your transaction is being processed.
Balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, mini statement. You will go to cash withdrawal. Select your bank.
Please enter required information and
Here
click to
fill
proceed
through Aadhaar
transaction.
card number and enter your amount.
Please put your finger to proceed Aadhaar transaction.
Place your finger on fingerprint sensor.
Please wait. Your transaction is being processed. Please collect your cash.
Please collect your cash. Yes, please.
आप लोग वोटिंग हो गए क्या?
ठीक है